Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This video here today is just a short highlight sort of a video. This is done at a condominium complex where I have probably about 12 to 14 really small stumps to do all over the complex. So there's a lot of traveling like this, going over sidewalks and grass, and thankfully a lot of them are marked like that with an X, so it makes my job nice and easy. I know which ones to grind and which ones not to. So that was good. Little before and after shot of those ones. And once it's all done and the dirt is put back over. And what would a job be without a set of stairs to have to climb? It pretty much happens all the time. There's always difficult spots to have to climb up and around, so I always have wood and stuff like that with me, because just in the types of environment and stuff that we usually grind in, it's yeah, there's a lot of stairs and steps and all that kind of stuff that you have to be prepared. And this job in particular, I had to kind of do this. Why I just made a quick video like this, because I had to get out of there, because there was really no parking at all. Everywhere you parked, there was, you know, you're in a fire route. So I just found a good place to park as best as I could, put some pylons up, and got out of there. Okay, thanks a lot for watching.